Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine and doing good. Stay at home and be safe. Eat healthy food. Drink lot of water. Uh, don't waste your food. Avoid going out of your house. Wash your hands frequently. Today we are going to see lesson grade 3rd English subject pronouns. We have learned pronouns in the previous classes. Okay, for example, Rani is a good girl. Rani is studying 3rd standard. Rani is a beautiful girl. Rani's handwriting is very good. To avoid that Rani always. Okay, first sentence, okay, Rani is a good girl. That first sentence we can use Rani. Again and again, no need of using that Rani. Instead of that, we use some words. For example, if it is girl, we write she. She is a. Okay, yeah, like that we used to write. That is called pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word used in the place of noun or instead of noun. Here they have given and the example, Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. That he represents Patrick. He represents Patrick. That he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. Look at that exercise. Choose the right word from the brackets and complete the second sentence. My brother Hari lives in Banaji. Dash prays at the church every day. Here they have given the option we or he. What answer will come? My brother Hari. He is a he. So we have to write he. Martha studies at Carmel school. Dash loves to read storybook. Here they or she we have to write. We have to write she because Martha is a girl. So we have to write she. The astronaut at ISRO are geniuses. Dash have successfully launched many spacecraft recently. It, they. So here we have to write they. They is a plural form. You have to write they. Bingo is the name of my neighbor's dog. Dash likes to play with children. Bingo, it represents the dog. So it. We have to write it. Ratna and Arya study in class 8th. They both together. So you have to write the pronoun they. We have to write the pronoun they. Next, we are going to see about possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. Look at that sentences. This dog is mine. This is my dog. That mine is a possessive pronoun. In the second sentence, my is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs and its. Once again I am telling subject pronoun I possessive adjectives my and possessive pronoun mine. You, your, yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, our, ours. They, their, theirs. Read the first sentence, then complete the second sentence with the word that shows to whom the objects belongs. Okay, yeah. First one, I bought these flowers. These flowers are possessive pronoun we have to write it. So we have to write it. I means mine. M-I-N-E, mine. You have a new cycle. The cycle is yours. Y-O-U-R-S, yours. She brought a blue dress. The dress is hers. H-E-R-S, hers. We have a cat. These are its kitten. You have to write it. Its kitten. Sorry. We have a cat. They are its kitten. Correct only. Filling the blanks with suitable possessive adjective from the forms of the pronouns given in the brackets one has done for you. These are not my shoes. They are hers. We have to write it hers. It is not their idea, Their, their idea. It is our idea. You got to write it, our idea. It is ours. I forgot to bring my geometry box. Would I borrow yours? Y-O-U-R-S, yours. This isn't his pencil. It's her pencil. Isn't that your bicycle? Isn't that your bicycle? No. Mine is green. Mine is green. Okay, we learned about the pronoun and the possessive pronoun and the possessive adjectives. Now we are going to see about the article. Article means from lower class onwards we are learning a and the. These are called article. And a and an is a indefinite article. The is a definite article. Okay, yeah. The is a definite article. We use an before the noun that begins with the vowel letter as well as the vowel sound. Okay, yeah. And a is before the consonant. We used to write a before the consonant. And the, when we talk about a specific object, we use the before it. We use the before it. This is known as a definite article using a and an. Okay, yeah. If a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before it. If it begins with a vowel sound, we use an. For example, like honor, honest and hour, where the here honor, that H is a silent, so used honor, honest, hour. So we use an. For example, an honest man. And a and an are used with singular nouns. For example, a cat, a dog, an elephant. For singular noun only we use a and an. A and an are used with common nouns that we use for the first time. For example, my sister wore a long pink dress yesterday. Okay, yeah. Using the, we use the nouns that have already been mentioned before. For example, a red car came to pick up my father. But first of all, we use in the sentence, first sentence, a red car. The same word again it is coming. So we are writing, we are mentioning the second time, we use the car belonged to his friends. We also use the when we know who or what we meant. For example, the principal of our school, the driver of the red car. It is particularly we mentioned, so we are using the. And we use the when we write or talk about a person or thing of which there is only one. That means universal truth. The sun, the moon, the sky, the sea, the Gangas. Before the rivers, the Gangas, the Vaigai, like that. Before the mountains, the Himalayas. Okay, yeah. Before the holy books. For example, Christians have Bible, Hindus have Bhagavad Gita, and Muslims have Quran. The Bible we have to write, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita we have to write it. And before the musical instrument, the guitar, the veena, like that, before the musical instrument, we have to write it the. Okay, yeah. This is the where we have to use the. We will see the exercise. Filling the blanks with a and or the. Did you see a cat just now? Did you see a cat just now? The train was late. I had to wait for dash hour. That H is a silent, so we have to use an hour. An hour. I want to ride a horse. A horse. Have you seen dash Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal. Before the famous building, we have to use the Taj Mahal. I am looking for the doctor. My father gave us each dash and ice cream. He is a police officer. Yesterday, my baby brother saw an aeroplane for the first time. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Write a or an before the following pairs of words. Dash is a high hill. A high hill. Dash and dash old man. An old man. Dash easy answer, an easy answer. Dash young animal, a young animal. Dash difficult question, a difficult question. Dash an Indian tribe, a silly excuse, a round bubble. Now we learned about pronoun and the article. Once again I am telling, pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, if you mention the name, if you indicate the boy's name, we have to write it he. If you indicates the girl's name, we have to write it she. When the whole, that means plural form, we have to use it they, we. Okay, yeah. After that we learned about the possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun. Okay, yeah. Possessive adjectives means what all the things it will come, and possessive pronouns means what all the things we have to come. That we have seen. Again we have seen about articles. Article is a and the. A and an is a indefinite article. The is a definite article. Okay children, these only we have seen in this class. Thank you children. Learn the grammar part and complete the book exercise. Thank you.